Okay, for the implicit differentiation, implicit functions, an equation f of xy is equal to 0 on perhaps certain restricted ranges of the variable is said to define y implicitly as a function of x. Okay, there are suggested steps in assuming the given equation are implicit function of x. Step 1, differentiate each term with respect to x, thinking all the other variable as a function of x. Second step, simplify the resulting equation in step 1 and solve for the needed derivatives. Okay, examples. Okay. Given is 5x squared minus 10y squared equal to 17. Find for derivative of y with respect to x, or that is also y prime. Okay, therefore, we have 10x minus 2 times 10 is 20, y equal y prime equal to 0. Okay, therefore, we have 10x is equal to 20. Transpose your negative 20 to the right side. Therefore, that becomes positive 20y y prime. Okay, where y prime or dy over dx, y prime is equal to 10x over 20y. Then 10 and 20, therefore that is y prime equal to derivative of y with respect to x is equal to x over 2y. Okay, example number 1. Another example. Okay, number 2. Find the derivatives using implicit differentiation. Okay, what if the given is y to the fourth equal to 9x plus 25. Okay, we have 4y cubed y prime equal to 9. Okay, therefore, y prime is equal to 9 over 4y cubed. Okay, therefore, this one is the final answer. Okay, another example. Y to the fourth is equal to 8x squared plus 25. Okay, therefore, this one is 4. Y cubed, y prime is equal to 16x. Where y prime is equal to 16x over 4y cubed. Or y prime is equal to 16 over 4, that is 4x over y cubed. And this one is the final answer. Okay, another example. Okay, number 4. Find the derivatives using implicit differentiation. We have x to the fifth equal to a y to the fourth from the book of Dr. Panopio, Simplified Differential Calculus for Engineering and Sciences. Okay. Given is x to the fifth equal to ay to the fourth. Therefore, we have 5x to the fourth is equal to 4a y cubed y prime. And then this one is y prime is equal to 5x x to the fourth over 4ay cubed. But remember, from the given equation of x to the fifth equal to ay to the fourth, our a is equal to x to the fifth over y to the fourth. Then substitute your a with x to the fifth over y to the fourth power. Y prime is equal to 5, x to the fourth over 4, and a is x to the fifth over y to the fourth times y cubed. Okay, therefore this one, x to the fourth, x to the fifth, then y cubed, y to the fourth. Okay, reciprocal, your y prime is equal to 5y over 4x. Okay, another example. Okay, example number 5. Find the derivative using implicit differentiation. We have, again, from the book of Dr. Panopio, x squared plus y squared is equal to 2xy. Okay, therefore this one, we have 2x plus 2y y prime, okay, equal to, using the product, 2 times x y prime plus y. Okay. Then, divide both members by 2. We have x plus y prime equal to x y prime plus y. Then, okay, let us group all the factors with y prime. We have x y prime. Therefore, we're going to transpose this one. Therefore, this one is negative. Plus y prime equal to y minus, transpose your x to the right side, x. Then arrange this one. You have y prime minus xy prime equal to y minus x. Common factor is y prime times y minus x is equal to y minus x. Then, divide both members by y minus x. Okay, therefore, your y prime is equal to y minus x over y minus x. Y prime is equal now to 1.